So the next question is diary. It was a day Tarun wanted to wipe out from his memory. Which day? The day is when he failed in the terminal exam. So you will be asked a question like this. Tarun wrote his feelings in his diary when he failed in the terminal exam. Write the likely diary. So you can write date and day in the left side. First you write diary, then date, today's date 24/6/20, Wednesday. Right side 10 p.m. Dear diary, it was a sad day for me. I failed in the terminal examination for 2 subjects. My father scolded me and my friends teased me. What am I to do in this pathetic situation? In order to reduce my sorrows, I began to run in the park for a long time. After running for a long time, I got exhausted. How can I overcome this sorrow? The only way is to run. Oh God, please help me to solve this problem. I have no other way to subdue my pent-up emotions. Oh God, please help me. So like that, we can write a diary entry. Then, that is one question. Next question is, when Tarun, after running for a long time, he was exhausted and he was sitting on a bench. At that time, Ramnarayan approached him and they had a conversation between Ramnarayan and the boy Tarun. What would be the likely conversation? So this question you got as assignment in the online class. So you can write 5 or 6 mark questions. If it comes, you can write if it is for 5 mark, 10 exchanges, and for 6 marks, 12 exchanges. So first one to start a conversation according to this context is Ramnarayan. Dear, oh my dear boy, why are you crying? Tarun, I failed in the terminal exam for 2 subjects. Then Ramnarayan, don't worry, life is full of ups and downs. Then Tarun, I am really upset. Then Ramnarayan, why you ran for a long time? Tarun, in order to subdue my sorrows. Then Ramnarayan, you have any training, dear? Then Tarun, no sir. By the by, may I know who you are? Then Ramnarayan, I am Ramnarayan. Tarun, oh, the same Ramnarayan who won the medal in the Olympiad? Ramnarayan, yes, I am the same Ramnarayan. Then Tarun, glad to meet you, sir. Then Ramnarayan, okay, my dear boy, I will train you if you want. Like that you can write the conversation. So that is another question. Then next one is, suppose the sports club has decided to congratulate Tarun. prepare an announcement for the same. So you can write, friends, welcome to the school auditorium. The sports club has decided to congratulate Tarun for his excellence in running. Even though he fell down thrice, he didn't give up. Due to his strong willpower and determination, he reached the finishing point last. So the meeting is going to take place now. The Grama Panchayat president will inaugurate the function, and for his excellence in running, this Tarun will be given a trophy and a certificate. Like that, thank you. Like that you can write the announcement. So that will be another question. Then, life is full of ups and downs. Even though Tarun failed in the race, he couldn't reach the first position. Even though he fell down thrice, he reached the finishing point last. So, this lesson teaches us valuable morals in life. That life is full of failures. We have to face them. Life is not always a bed of roses. We have to face so many struggles and hardships. So, taking all these points in view, write how Tarun became a real life hero. Or you will get a question for 7 marks. Strong willpower and determination plays an important role in one's life, or the support of the family members makes a child a great achiever in life. Comment on this statement with regard to this lesson. So this type of question you can expect for 7 marks. So when you write this, you can write, Tarun was a mediocre student. He was not good at studies, but he had a good talent in running. He was very determined, ambitious, and he wanted to become the best runner in the world. So his family members, especially his father, considered him as the black sheep of the family, but this boy was not ready to give up. Even though he failed in the terminal exam, he was fortunate to get Ram Narayan, the great Olympian, as his coach, who promised to train him if he participated in the race on Children's Day at Nehru Stadium. Taking this as a great challenge, this boy started practicing vigorously, zealously and enthusiastically and participated in the race. Ram Narayan, his coach, gave him full support and encouragement to participate in the race. So there was a shallow path on the track, and this boy didn't notice that, and he fell down the first time. Even though he saw some children passing in front of him, he didn't give up. His mother encouraged and supported him. So, taking it as a great motivation, he got up and started running. So, the second time also he fell down, but this time it was his coach Ram Narayan who cheered him up. Hearing the cheering words of his coach, he started to run again, and even though the boy named Pavan came first, this Tarun, with his strong willpower and determination, reached the finishing point last. So, From this lesson, we learn the valuable moral of life, that is, failure is the stepping stone to success. We have to face so many struggles and hardships in our life. Life will not always be a bed of roses, full of luxuries for us all time. So sometimes we have to experience the harsh realities of life. Likewise, this Tarun also, even though he was not good at anything, he had a good talent in running. So when he got a good opportunity, he with a strong willpower and determination became the best runner. Even though he didn't win the race, he reached the finishing point last. Likewise, you can write. And one more question. Suppose Tarun is a student of your school. You narrate to one of your friends the events that lead Tarun to become a great hero. Or how did Tarun become a great hero? You narrate those things to your friend. How will be the narration? So you are narrating. So it will be in the first person narrative. So you can start like this. I am studying in the name of the school, Jawahar Public School. Then this is my friend Tarun. He is studying in 7th standard. He is not at all good in studies, nor he does have any talent in singing, dancing or anything, drawing or anything. But he had a good talent as a great runner. He had an athletic spirit in him. His parents, especially his father, considers him as a black sheep of the family. His brother is pursuing an engineering degree from a reputed college. But Tarun, he had a great spirit for running. So this ambition, he was very eager to put that ambition into fulfillment, and for this he tried his level best. So he was very lucky to get Olympian Ram Narayan as his coach, and this Ram Narayan agreed to train him if he participated in the race conducted at Nehru Stadium on Children's Day. So Tarun was very eager to hear this, and he was very enthusiastic and interested to participate in the game and win. So he promised that he will try his level best in winning the game to Ram Narayan. Then after rigorous and vigorous training each and every day for some time, this boy got a participation card. He saw many people gathered there, but when he saw his mother there, he was very happy, and her presence was a great encouragement for him. So when the race started, he was very anxious and tensed, but he unfortunately, due to a shallow path on the track, he fell down the first time. But at that time, even though his friends passed in front of him, he didn't give up. His mother cheered him up and asked him to get up and run. So again he ran. The next time also, for the second time, he fell down. And then also his coach came as a great inspirer and motivator, and he began to run for the second time. He got up after falling down the second time. He got up and began to run. At last he reached the finishing point last. But another boy, Pawan, was the first winner. But everybody applauded and cheered Tarun for his great willpower and determination, for not giving up even though he fell down 3 times. And seeing his great vigor and spirit, Ramnarayan promised to train him, and his mother was also very proud for getting a son like this. So, taking Tarun's life as an example, we all should know that life is full of struggles and worries. We have to overcome that each and every time with strong willpower and determination. We have to go ahead. We should not give up. We should not fail. So all these things are the points included to write at 7-mark question. So when you write 7-mark question, the length should be 1.5 pages. For 6-mark question, 1 1/4 page should be the length. So these are the important questions that you can expect from the lesson the race. So study well, read the textbook very well, prepare your own word dictionary, then go through the glossary and study all the word meanings. So please like, subscribe and share the video. It will be great help for you. Thank you, children.